So in this video, we're going to talk about counting, which seems a little bit easy, but not necessarily counting like 1, 2, 3, 4, but counting how many different things there are. So it is similar to that, but I've got an example here to show you what we're talking about. It says for lunch, you've got the following options. You have a beverage, could be milk or water. Your main entree could be grilled cheese sandwich, pizza, or hot dog. And then your vegetable option could be carrots or broccoli. So how many different lunch options do you have if you need to choose one beverage, one entree, and one vegetable? So what we're going to do is we're going to list them out to start out with. So our beverage options are milk and water. Let me grab a different color here. There we go, milk and water. Then our entree options are grilled cheese, pizza, and hot dog. And then our vegetable are carrots and broccoli. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start listing them out. So let's start with the beverage of being milk. So we've got milk, and we could pair that with grilled cheese, and then we could have carrots. Then I always kind of like to do this in an organized fashion. So I'm going to do milk, grilled cheese, and then broccoli. Rather than trying to list them out and just kind of randomly list them, we're going to do this in kind of an organized fashion. So we did milk, grilled cheese, carrots, milk, grilled cheese, broccoli. And so now we're going to do milk, pizza, and then our vegetable would be carrots. And then milk, pizza, broccoli. And then we've done everything with milk, grilled cheese, and pizza. So now we're going to do milk, hot dog, and carrots, milk, hot dogs, and broccoli. So now I think, if I'm right here, I think we've done everything where milk is our beverage option, because we've done both grilled cheese options, both pizza, and both hot dogs. So yeah, I'm pretty confident in that. Okay, so then let's switch over and do water. So water with grilled cheese and carrots. And then water with grilled cheese and broccoli. And you can kind of see it's the exact same as that white list over there. It's just M's get flipped into W's. And then we have water. We did grilled cheese already, so pizza and carrots. Water, pizza, broccoli. And then we've done grilled cheese and pizza, so water, hot dog, carrots. And water, hot dog, broccoli. Okay. So what we came up with is there are, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 different ways that we can choose a lunch from these options. So this is called, a couple things here, this is called our sample set. Excuse me, not sample set, sample space. A little mishap there. So this is our sample space, sorry. So when it asks you what is the sample space, it just means all of the possible outcomes. So this is a fine way to do it. If you want to list them out, it's a nice way to do it. But there's some problems. One, when it gets pretty big, this is going to take a lot of time. Also, what if you miss something? If you don't have an organized procedure, then you might miss something. So what we're going to talk about today is using that organized procedure, and what we call that as a tree diagram. So what would this tree diagram look like for that exact same question? So we're going to start with, and what we're going to do is we're basically going to be making a bunch of branches. And I'll show you what I mean here. So our first 2 branches are going to represent milk and water. I'll put M and W for milk and water. And then if I chose milk for my beverage option, then I've got 3 choices for my entree. I could do grilled cheese, I could do pizza, and I could do hot dog. And then if I chose milk, grilled cheese, let's back up. If I chose water, then I have the exact same 3 options. For my entree, I've got grilled cheese, pizza, and hot dog. And then once I've chosen my beverage and entree, now I have 2 choices for vegetables. So I have carrot, broccoli, I have carrot, broccoli. I have carrot, broccoli. I have carrot, broccoli. I've got carrot, broccoli. And believe it or not, carrot and broccoli. So the way we look at this tree diagram is this little blue leaf here. This tells me that we had carrots, grilled cheese, and milk. So you basically follow that path back to where you started. So this is milk, grilled cheese, carrots. Let's choose another one over here. Let's do this right here. This one we had carrots again, grilled cheese again, but water. So this would be water, grilled cheese, and carrots. And so if we wanted to list out our sample space here, what we would do is we would just, at the end of each branch, where each leaf would be represented, we would list out what each of those are. So it'd be milk, pizza, broccoli. And you can list out all 12 of those. But this is a nice organized way so you don't forget anything, and you'll have all 12 options here this way. Okay, let's look at a second example. What I would encourage you to do is write this down, try it yourself, and see if you can get all of the different options. So this one says, Eli, Charlie, Abby, and Lizzie are running a race. How many different ways can they finish first, second, third, and fourth? Okay, so like I said, it'd be great if you paused it, tried it yourself. If you did that already, great. Let's keep going. So let me walk you through how I would do this one. We are going to start out with first place. And so our first place is going to have 4 different options. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to try to spread them out because I'm going to need some room here. So first place, and in fact, I'm going to spread this first branch out a little bit more. Let's do this. There we go. There we go. Okay, so first place could be Eli, or it could be Charlie, or it could be Abby, or it could be Lizzie. Then once we've established who got first, now we're going to say, well, how many different ways are there to get second place? Well, Eli got first, so that means that we have how many people left for second place? Eli can't get second, so we've got 3 people left. So this would be either Charlie, Abby, or Lizzie. And then if Charlie got first, we have 3 choices. We could have Eli, Abby, and Lizzie. If Abby got first, we could have Eli, Charlie, and Lizzie for second. And if Lizzie got first, we could have Eli, Charlie, and Abby. By the way, Eli, Charlie, and Abby are my kids. Lizzie is our lizard. So if Lizzie got first, that'd be pretty weird. And then let's go back. So if Eli and Charlie got first and second, then for third, it's either going to be Abby or Lizzie. And then if Abby got second, it's either going to be Charlie or Lizzie. And then if Lizzie got second, it would be Abby and Charlie. And then we just keep doing this. So Charlie, Eli, Abby, Lizzie, Charlie, Abby, Eli, Lizzie, Charlie, Lizzie, Eli, Abby, and then Abby, Eli, Charlie, Lizzie, Abby, Charlie, Eli, Lizzie, Abby, Lizzie, Eli, Charlie, Lizzie, Eli, Abby, Charlie, Lizzie, Charlie, Eli, Abby, and then Lizzie, Abby, Eli, Charlie. All right, so we've got first, second, and third, and then the fourth place is just going to be forced from there, and so our last branch is going to be whatever that last letter is. So Eli, Charlie, Abby, Lizzie, And really, this is not going to add on to the number of things at all. So I'm not going to waste all of our time in listing all of these letters out. You guys could probably fill this in. But it does, so we basically were done already counting how many different things there were. But I am going to just finish out this tree diagram. So I don't know. It's my temporary OCD kicking in. So how many different leaves do we have? Well, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. All right, so we had 24. So how many different ways can they finish first, second, third, and fourth? 24 different ways. And just so that we're all clear on what this means, let's look at number 13 here. This would mean that Abby got first, Eli got second, Charlie got third, and Lizzie got fourth. That's what that one would mean. Because Abby was first place, Eli second, Charlie third, and Lizzie fourth. All right, so that's tree diagrams. That's how to organize things in a set in a tree diagram.